Hello everyone, this is Ramsha Sufi from Delhi, Pakistan. Today we're going to unbox much awaited selfie king Oppo F7 smartphone. In an era of social networking, Oppo has gained space in market due to its selfie expert smartphones, and its latest F7 is also stupendous in this regard. Let's have a look at the box. On the front we can see F7 visual branding and its most highlighted 25 MP artificial intelligence powered front facing camera feature. On the back of the box, we can see the specifications which show that the device features a 6.23-inch Full HD plus Super Full Screen with notch. The phone also comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and glossy finish designed to enthral tech-savvy buffs. Let's unbox this device. We got the nice silver glossy Oppo F7 which we will discuss in a while. Firstly, we will be looking at the stock accessories which are in the box. Silicone case and a quick start guide. Charger with 5V 2A rating, charging cable and premium looking earphones which look amazing. The device gives very glossy and elegant feel. On the right side of the device there is a SIM tray and power button, and left side of the device is home for volume rockers. Oppo F7 features a 6.23-inch Full HD plus display with notch on top and 19:9 aspect ratio. There is an earpiece grill and 25 MP AI powered front facing camera on top of the device. On the back there is a 16 MP camera with LED flash and fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the device shows speaker grill, micro USB charging port and a microphone. Let's quickly set up the phone and see how it functions. Oppo F7, which comes with the Face ID, have a look at this feature. Face ID is pretty responsive even in low light thanks to its AI facial recognition. Screen gives vivid and crisp display which is quite impressive, and the phone comes with Android Oreo 8 with customized color OS 5. For taking screenshots, just swap 3 fingers. Now we will talk about its most exciting feature which revolves around selfie. F7's AI album will automatically group photos by faces, names, places and scenes. The AR stickers will have many different avatars for the user to play with. You can also tag each image with multiple keywords. AI real-time recognition of 20 different scenes and objects automatically adjusts the parameters. The SoC on Oppo F7 is powerful, a proof of which is seamless execution of high-end games and applications simultaneously due to its octa-core Helio P60 processor.